Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a broccoli rice that comes out delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious broccoli rice at home with lots of love, these are the ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, tomato, carrots, a purple onion, broccoli, rice, hot water. So let's get started. I want to start first with the veggies. I have the red onion that I'm gonna cut in small little squares. Let me tell you, this broccoli rice comes out delicious, amazing, and it is perfect for the holidays. The holidays are here. Let's enjoy this amazing broccoli rice with all these amazing and delicious ingredients. I have the red onion, the tomato, the carrots. I have mini carrots, but of course you could use the regular carrots. This is what I have handy. The carrot is going to release the amazing flavor with the rest of the ingredients, and this rice, it comes out delicious. You could add turkey, you could add grilled chicken, carne asada, you decide. But I am sure that once you make this broccoli rice, you are really going to love the flavor, and your family is really going to love this recipe. Just try that all the ingredients are cut almost at the same size, so everything cooks at the same time. I'm adding the carrots in the bottom. I'm adding the tomato right on top, and then the onion. This rice is the favorite rice here at home. Everybody loves this rice. The broccoli really penetrates the rice, really gives the rice such a delicious and refreshing taste of the broccoli. Of course, I have all the ingredients here. It doesn't take too long to prepare this amazing broccoli rice. I have the chicken bouillon that you could replace with just salt, but the chicken bouillon really brings up all those amazing flavors. And here I have a pan already getting nice and hot. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Right after adding the vegetable oil, I'm going to add the rice. I am not going to brown the rice. I just want the rice to get completely covered with the oil before I add the veggies. We're gonna toss it around, making sure that everything is coated so it doesn't stick to the pan, and it separates very easily when it's cooked. Look at this. Like I said, it doesn't take too long, but this rice comes out with so much flavor that you are really going to love this recipe. Once everything is nice and covered with all the veggies and the vegetable oil, I'm gonna add the chicken bouillon. Remember that the chicken bouillon is to taste. If you don't wanna add chicken bouillon, you could just add regular salt. It's still going to come out amazing and delicious. Always remember to add hot water to your rice. Never add cold water to your rice. The reason that I'm telling you this is because when you add the hot water, it really cooks faster, and all the ingredients are going to be al dente, especially the broccoli. So I added the hot water. Of course, you're going to have all the ingredients in the description box so that you could enjoy it with your beautiful family for the holidays. Once you see it boiling from the center, then it is time to cover it. Lower the heat to medium heat, and then it'll be perfect and ready to enjoy after 10 minutes. The broccoli is still a little bit al dente. It's not overcooked. It's not mushy at all. That's why you add the hot water into your rice. It doesn't cook too fast. It doesn't cook too slow. It cooks in about 10 minutes. Look at the texture of the rice. It really pulls apart. It's not mushy at all. But the rice really absorbs the flavors of all the veggies, especially the broccoli. Well, here, this is done. I am ready to prepare the presentation plate. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and of course, be part of Cooking with Gloria. I can't wait to enjoy it. My home smells amazing, and I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this broccoli rice. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I like trying everything. Excuse me. The rice really absorbed all those amazing flavors of the broccoli. This is an amazing and delicious broccoli rice. This rice is perfect for the holidays. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious broccoli rice made with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.